Okay. Okay, can I get a
Say it again.
cattle like a
Cattle?
or something?
Yeah. I got you. This thing's no good. Wonderful. And the stop, the shut off stop. There. Now it works. So they've been having a leak here for a very long time. I'm gonna replace it.
You guys can take it. I just want to take them off there.
Plenty of space for a no hub band right here. I'm worried about the height of these, but I think it'll be all right. So look at this, we got a Delta faucet. Delta, right? And they are now switching to the cheapest possible connection with these things. They used to have the shanks that would come out the bottom, and now they're switching to this nonsense, dude. So, junk. Not too bad. The only issue is that those should probably be about here. They're a little too high, but they're not kinked or anything. They're in there. They're all right.
No, that's good.
Yeah, that's fine. Doesn't quite sit back all the way, but that's okay. We'll caulk it at the top. So now I just gotta tie this in.
Yeah, he lives there alone. He's a little psycho, but he's a good guy.
Who, Jay?
Which one?
Jay, yeah.
Yeah. He's a little noise.
He makes noise?
And he's in his own world. I don't know, but he's cool.
Cheap ass faucet, dude. Thought Delta was supposed to be nice. Guess not anymore. Cheap ass piece of junk, dude. Just need to tighten this up a little bit more. Get some channies on it. Just feels cheap, man. All right, any leaks? I doubt it. Decent.